Hello and Namaskar. My name is Shekhar Ranade and I am the director of the company called the Turning Point Engineering Pvt Limited. We are situated in Nashik, Maharashtra. We are into this business for over 30 years, and when we thought of going into CNC technology, after a lot of thought process, we concluded the name of LMW for the reliability, service and rigidness of the machines. It was 2007 when we bought their first machine, LL20TL5, and every year we have been adding more machines starting from LL20TL5, LX series, LTV, and then a lot more, LR30 and lot more. Currently we are having 13 to 14 numbers of turning centers. Recently we have added a Gigaturn, their new product, last year. It is a very good machine in terms of rigidity, in terms of size. We can turn up to say 600 mm diameter of component on that. We are into power sector, we are into automobile, we are into defense, we are into oil and gas. Since we are working in different type of categories of customers, the requirement of the machines is varied. We are turning say from 200 mm dia to 600 dia up to 1 meter length of components in ferrous and non-ferrous, both. LMW, as far as I feel, stands for quality, rigidity and service. Now that LMW has come up with this Gigaturn series, we really expect them to make bigger machines in terms of diameter. For long period, we have been asking them to make a machine of say 1000 mm dia turning, maybe 1 meter length or 1.5 meter lengths. That will be really add to their family and our requirement. Thank you.